Set B Q.3 solution. Here the parameterized cursor. The parameter will be gym name. Explanation of the code at the end. Explanation. This is a SQL block of code used to retrieve and display data from the member table based on the gym name provided. The first line declares a variable named v_name with a data type of virture2, 40, and assigns a value to it from a variable or constant named gym name. The next two lines declare two variables, v_mid and v_monum, with their respective data types. These variables will be used to store the values retrieved from the member table. The get_det cursor is defined to retrieve the mid and monum columns from the member table based on the gym name provided in the variable v_name. The cursor joins the member, gym, and g_m tables. The dbms_output.put_line statement is used to display the gym name on the console. The open get_det statement opens the cursor and starts the loop to retrieve the data from the member table. The loop statement starts a loop that will execute until there are no more rows to fetch. The exit when get_det %not found statement checks if there are any more rows to fetch. If there are no more rows, the loop is excited. The fetch get_det into v_mid, v_monum statement retrieves the next row from the get_det cursor and stores the values in the variables. The dbms_output.put_line statement prints the values of the variables v_mid and v_monum on the console. Overall, this code retrieves the data from the member table based on the gym name provided and displays it on the console in a tabular format. It joins the member, gym, and g_m tables to retrieve the data.